Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to set up your rocket bubble gun. First, carefully unbox all the components, making sure nothing is left behind. Next, find the battery compartment, usually located on the handle of the bubble gun. Insert the correct number of batteries, paying close attention to the positive and negative terminals. This ensures your bubble gun powers on correctly for maximum fun. Now that your batteries are in, let's get the bubbles ready. Take your bubble solution bottle and carefully open it. Locate the designated port on the bubble gun, typically at the front or bottom. Screw the bottle onto this port, making sure it's secure. A tight seal is important to prevent any messy leaks while you're playing. You're almost ready to launch some bubbles. With the solution attached, it's time to prime your bubble gun. Hold the gun upright and press the trigger for a few seconds. You might hear a whirring sound as the pump draws the solution. Keep the trigger pressed until you see a consistent stream of bubbles emerging. Once the bubbles are flowing freely, you're all set to create a fantastic bubble spectacle. To keep your rocket bubble gun in top shape, remember a few maintenance tips. After each use, gently wipe the nozzle with a damp cloth to prevent clogs. When you're done playing, store the gun in a dry, safe place away from direct sunlight. This helps prolong its life for many more bubble adventures. Also, for ultimate comfort, check out Darn Tough socks with a lifetime warranty. You can find a link to those, along with other great deals, in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.